Welcome to your 10-minute oasis for joint relief. Let's begin this gentle journey together today. All you need is a sturdy chair. This practice is designed to meet you exactly where you are. Remember to listen to your body. Move with kindness and never push into any sharp pain. Let's start by finding a comfortable, upright seat. Sit away from the back of the chair. Close your eyes if that feels good, and take a deep, cleansing breath in and out. Let's begin by warming up the neck. Gently drop your right ear toward your right shoulder. Feel that wonderful, light stretch along the side of your neck. Breathe into that space now. Now, let's gently switch to the other side, bringing your left ear toward your left shoulder. Notice if this side feels any different. There's no judgment, just gentle awareness and breathing deeply. Great, come back to center. Now, inhale and lift your shoulders up toward your ears. And on your exhale, let them roll back and down, releasing any tension you might be holding. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up, feeling that gentle squeeze now. And exhale, roll them back and down. Imagine melting away all of that stiffness. So good. Now let's awaken the wrists. Gently make soft fists and begin to circle them outwards. This simple movement is so amazing for lubricating the joints in your hands and your wrists. Wonderful. Now, let's reverse the direction, circling your wrists gently inward. Feel the subtle shift. Now let's move to the ankles. Extend one leg and point and flex your foot. This helps with circulation and brings wonderful mobility back into your ankles. It feels so good. Now, gently begin to circle that ankle in one direction, just like we did with our wrists. And now, let's reverse that circle. Let's show that other leg some love in a moment. Okay, let's switch sides. Extend your other leg and begin to point and flex that foot. Bringing that same gentle awareness to this side. Notice how it feels. Let's make those circles. And now, let's reverse the direction of the circle. You are doing such an amazing job. Let's move to the spine with a seated cat-cow. Place your hands on your knees now. As you inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look up slightly. This is cow pose. Feel that beautiful opening across the front of your chest, like a flower blooming in the sun. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest. This is your cat pose. Feel the stretch across your upper back and between your shoulder blades. Really release that tension here. Let's flow with our breath. Inhale, open the heart into cow. Exhale, round the back into cat. Moving with your own rhythm. This is one of the best ways to care for your spine. Now come back to a neutral spine. We'll move into a gentle seated twist. It feels amazing. Inhale to lengthen your spine, growing tall. Exhale, gently twist your torso to the right side. Use the chair to help you deepen the stretch. Keep both of your hips planted firmly down. Twists are fantastic for digestion and for rinsing out the tension along your entire spinal column. Gently unwind and come back to the center. Let's take a breath here before the other side. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, and now gently twist your torso to the left side. Remember to keep your movements slow and mindful. Your breath is always your most important guide. Feel that gentle ringing out sensation. This is so healthy for all the muscles in your back.
Wonderful. Gently unwind and come back to facing forward. Notice how open and free you feel.
Now for the hips. Let's try a seated pigeon pose. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. You might already feel a stretch in your outer hip. If so, just stay here and breathe. If you would like a little more, you can gently hinge forward from your hips with a long spine.
This is an incredible stretch for releasing tightness in the hips, which can help ease back pain.
Slowly, gently come back up to sitting tall. Let's uncross that leg and switch to the other side. Now, cross your left ankle over your right knee. Take a moment to notice this side. Breathe here, or if it feels right, begin to hinge forward with that nice, long spine.
Honoring your body's limits is the true spirit of yoga. There is absolutely no need to force anything.
Okay, let's gently come back up. Uncross your leg and place both feet back on the floor.
Now for the hamstrings. Extend your right leg out, keeping your heel on the floor, toes up. Sit up tall, and on your exhale, hinge forward from the hips until you feel a stretch. This stretch is so important for flexibility and can help to alleviate tightness in the lower back. Let's gently rise up and switch legs. Extend your left leg out, heel down, toes up.
Take a big breath in to lengthen, and exhale to gently fold forward over your straight leg.
Keeping the back of our legs flexible is key to moving with comfort and ease every single day.
Gently come all the way back up. Bring both feet to the floor. Fantastic work, everyone. Let's open the shoulders. Reach your arms out to the sides like you're making a big T. Now, gently squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to hold a small pencil.
And release. Let's do that again. Squeeze back, opening the chest. This helps improve our posture. Now release and gently lower your arms down. Shake them out. Feel that new sense of space.
Let's bring one final stretch to the arms. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Bend your elbow and gently pat yourself on the back. Use your other hand to guide it.
Breathe into the back of that arm. Feel the stretch. You are treating your body so well.
Gently release. Let's switch sides. Reach your left arm up high to the sky now. Bend that elbow, giving yourself another pat on the back. You certainly deserve it for showing up.
Release and let both arms rest down. We're now moving into our cool down. You did it.
Let's return to our breath. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly.
Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly with each breath you are taking. Just be here in this moment of peace and quiet that you have created for yourself. Take a moment for gratitude. Thank your body for all its hard work and amazing abilities.
This short practice is a powerful gift of self-care you can give yourself every single day. Carry this feeling of openness and ease with you into the rest of your beautiful, wonderful day.
Let's take one more collective deep breath in together. Fill up your entire lungs with air. And a long, slow, audible sigh out. Let it all go. Release and relax completely now.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so proud of you for taking this time. Remember to subscribe for more wellness tips. See you again very soon. Have a fantastic day.